Welcome to Touring Globe. Join me as I dive into the warning signs we should all be on the lookout for after visiting unfamiliar places. Red flags you should know after traveling to unfamiliar places. Travel changes you, but sometimes, what you bring back isn't just memories or souvenirs. After visiting unfamiliar places, your body, environment, and instincts might send you warning signs. Ignoring them can put your health, safety, or peace of mind at risk. Here's the ultimate expanded guide to the red flags that tell you something is not right. Health red flags. 1. Unshakable fever. Why it matters. Fevers that stay or worsen could point to malaria, typhoid, dengue, or bacterial infections. What to do? Seek urgent care if fever lasts more than 48 hours, especially if you've been in tropical or rural areas. 2. Extreme fatigue or weakness. Feeling tired is normal after long flights, but overwhelming fatigue where even small tasks feel impossible is not. Could signal dehydration, vitamin deficiency, or infections picked up abroad. 3. Persistent digestive problems. Constant diarrhea, abdominal pain, or vomiting can mean food poisoning, parasites, or unsafe water consumption. Watch for blood, mucus, or dehydration symptoms like dry lips and dizziness. 4. Skin changes or strange bites. Bed bugs leave itchy clusters, mosquito bites can carry malaria or Zika, and fungal rashes can spread quickly. Don't ignore swelling, redness, or streaks, they could mean infection. 5. Breathing trouble or cough that won't go away. A cough lasting more than 2 weeks might mean bronchitis, pneumonia, or tuberculosis. If paired with chest pain or shortness of breath, seek immediate medical attention. 6. Severe headaches or neurological symptoms. Beyond jet lag headaches, look out for blurred vision, dizziness, or confusion. Could point to meningitis, encephalitis, or altitude sickness. 7. Swelling in the legs or sudden pain. Sitting long hours in planes increases clot risks, deep vein thrombosis. If your legs feel swollen, warm, or painful, it's a medical emergency. 8. Unexplained weight loss or loss of appetite. If you're losing weight without trying, or food suddenly tastes off, it may indicate infection, parasites, or even stress-related illness. Safety and security red flags. 9. Strangers acting overly friendly. A genuine smile is normal, but when people push to carry bags, arrange rides, or handle your money, it may be a scam setup. 10. Suspicious credit card activity. Many travelers discover small, strange charges after trips. These test charges often grow if unreported. Always check your bank account as soon as you return. 11. Being followed. Spotting the same face multiple times in quiet areas is not a coincidence. Head to busy, well-lit areas, or ask for help from businesses or police. 12. Unlicensed transport or drivers who refuse rules. Drivers who avoid meters, hide ID, or lure you with cheap rides can be unsafe. Stick to registered apps or official taxis. 13. Sudden public unrest. Shouting crowds, police in riot gear, or shopkeepers closing doors quickly can be signs of brewing protests. Tourists can easily get caught in the middle. 14. Unsafe accommodation conditions. Hotels or hostels with broken locks, missing fire exits, or staff who ignore concerns are red flags. Your accommodation should make you feel secure, not uneasy. 15. Distraction scams. Someone spills coffee, bumps you, or creates a commotion while another person snatches your belongings. Stay alert in crowded markets, buses, and stations. Mental and emotional red flags. 16. Gut feeling of danger. If something feels off, even if you can't explain why, listen. Your instincts often sense risk before logic does. 17. Persistent confusion or memory lapses. More than just jet lag, repeated disorientation or forgetfulness could signal illness, dehydration, or even exposure to unsafe substances. 18. Rapid mood shifts. If you find yourself angry, paranoid, or deeply sad without reason, it might be culture shock or stress. But when severe, it could also be linked to infections affecting the nervous system. 19. Fear of leaving your room. Anxiety that paralyzes you from exploring might mean culture shock has turned into travel anxiety. If ignored, it can linger even after you return home. 20. Depression or emotional numbness. Homesickness is natural, but if it prevents you from functioning or connecting, it's a sign of post-travel depression. Cultural and environmental red flags. 21. Locals avoiding water or food sources. If residents avoid certain taps, street foods, or even specific areas, follow their lead, it often signals contamination or danger. 22. Areas that empty suddenly. When locals vanish from a beach, street, or market all at once, something's up, approaching storms, security raids, or unrest. 23. Aggressive animals. Stray dogs, monkeys, or even cats that act aggressively can carry rabies or parasites. Never ignore bites or scratches. 24. Abrupt weather changes. Flash floods, dust storms, or extreme heat can be life-threatening if you're unprepared. Always check local weather alerts. 25. Unsafe tours or excursions. If an operator crams too many people on a boat, skips safety gear, or ignores basic precautions, that's a red flag. 27. Locals giving subtle warnings. Sometimes residents won't say "danger" directly, but may urge you not to go somewhere or look uneasy. Respect these silent cues. What to do when you notice these red flags? Act early. Don't wait until symptoms worsen or a situation escalates. Seek professional help. Hospitals, clinics, or even pharmacies abroad can save your life. Stay connected. Share your live location with someone you trust. Have emergency contacts ready. Save embassy numbers, local emergency hotlines, and a backup contact at home. Prioritize safety over money. Losing a hotel deposit is better than staying somewhere unsafe. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.